Learn how to improve your affiliate business with these tips. Affiliate marketing is an essential part of online business planning, but understanding it and finding a good affiliate program can be tricky. There are all kinds of products and budgets to make sense of and choose the right one. Here are some steps you can take to ensure you get the best affiliates for your online business. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. People are more likely to take a chance on an affiliate link if they view you as trustworthy. Don't promote products that aren't of real quality or smother your visitors with too many ads. Give people something they really value. This will enhance your reputation and bring people back to your site. Affiliate programs differ greatly. The amount of flexibility and product variety can vary between each affiliate marketing company. In affiliate marketing, multiple referrals benefit both website owners and affiliate partners. Make sure your affiliates give you proper credit for them. A multiple referral is when a customer returns to buy from your affiliate more than once. As the initial referrer who delivered the customer to your affiliate, you are entitled to commissions on all of his or her sales. Make sure your affiliates track and credit multiple referrals correctly. Avoid affiliate marketing scams by doing some research before choosing an affiliate. Companies that charge you to be an affiliate are not reputable, nor are companies that require you to buy its product before becoming an affiliate. Doing a quick Google search of potential affiliates can save you from scams. If you want to make more money with your affiliate marketing, write reviews for the products you promote. Make sure you mention any flaws so that you do not lose your credibility or make your readers think that you will do anything to make the sale, even lying about the product. As you read, affiliate marketing is incredibly important to your current and future business planning, and so is understanding all the different kinds. This is so it makes it easier for you to understand what programs fit your personal needs. Following the above tips is a very good starting place. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.